Imagine one AI agent researching topics, checking calendars, querying databases, and sending emails simultaneously. Eventually, it becomes overloaded. Instead of one overloaded AI, LangChain lets a supervisor coordinate multiple specialized agents, each focused on one specific responsibility. Rather than only understanding the architecture, let's build a real LangChain Subagent step by step using the official API. Every implementation begins by importing the tool decorator and the create_agent function used throughout LangChain's agent framework. This is just a normal LangChain agent, but it specializes in research and has its own dedicated tools and reasoning. The tool decorator exposes the subagent as a callable tool, so another agent can invoke it whenever research is required. Every tool is simply a Python function. Here, the function receives the user's research request as input.
Inside the function, the supervisor invokes the research agent by passing the user's request as a standard LangChain message.
After completing the task, the subagent returns only its final answer, hiding all intermediate reasoning from the supervisor.
Finally, register the research tool with the main agent. Your supervisor can now automatically delegate research requests. With just a few lines of code, you've created a reusable subagent that another LangChain agent can control. Now let's see exactly what happens internally when a user asks the supervisor to research a topic. The supervisor reasons about the request and decides the research tool is the best way to answer it.
The research tool invokes the specialized agent, which can freely use its own search tools to gather information.
Each invocation starts with a clean context window, preventing unnecessary conversation history from growing larger over time. Subagents never remember previous conversations because only the supervisor maintains long-term conversational memory. This architecture powers enterprise assistance, where one supervisor coordinates specialized agents for calendars, databases, email, CRM, and research. The supervisor thinks, the specialized agent executes, the result returns, and the user receives one seamless response from a coordinated AI system.